napkins. The racket. Okay, I'm gonna slide this. The next stage area here. Is it okay if I put this chick back just a little? So like the more room I have, the prettier and
Yay.
okay. And you want it cut in half, right?
Yeah.
And then this is gonna be the stage area for you. Can I give you anything else right now? I'll see you later.
Thank you.
You guys enjoy. You have forks and knives, right?
He does not. Maybe or here.
I know they always get
There you
like pushed to the side. You
Yeah.
guys enjoy.
There you go. Thank you.
Are you guys okay dressing still? Or the white one?
Yes, I got lemon fruit and water.
You know, we used to do slices, and it was like too much work for the bus.
Thank you.
And the happy seed garlic Italian. I like to mix all of them.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. I will grab that cheese. That one is cold cheese.
Okay. And wait, what
Thank
kind
you.
is this one again?
Sour cream garlic, sweet and sour poppy seed, and Italian. And I